Hi, Tashidalik and Namaste to all. Today, with great sadness, I'm bringing this out and what happened to the situation recently. And before people rush to judgment or do clickbaits or like a blind person following a blind person, see the whole video of what actually really happened there. His Holiness, to us, who is the Bodhisattva and the God of compassion, was there blessing the children, the students. And when this kid went up and suddenly asked His Holiness, "Can I hug you?" while his mom was sitting right on the left-hand side or right-hand side. And she was waving, she said, no, not like this. She was giving a gesture. And His Holiness didn't understand. It's not like us. He studied English on his own, So he didn't, and he's 87, nearly 90 years old. He didn't understand. He was asking Tibetan, "Harilo." He didn't understand. And then later when he understood, he said yes and hugged, and the kid wanted more. And with a kind gesture like a grandfather, in Tibetans normally you do utu, means that you do with the forehead, then give a kiss, and then the tongue, you show the tongue, because it's like a gesture saying, okay, what do you want? You want to now do that? It's like a ultimate last gesture. So he was doing it playfully. And then later, His Holiness blessed him and gave him good words of being a good human being, So if you see the full video, you would really know what happened there. Not something people cut and create this like fancy editing and all. Then you would understand really what happened. And it's sad when people jump to conclusions, especially the media like NDTV or VOA. It's not good. They should definitely apologize to His Holiness. It's very bad. And some celebrities, it's really bad when they just, it's like a blind person following a blind person. It's very bad. And there are some celebrities like Aftab, who I worked with earlier on in a movie. Thank you very much. And it's very sad. And actually, if you really look carefully of what happened and why it happened in some ways, is that it's our culture. Culture matters for us. That's the way how we are. So people don't understand that. People should understand that. And secondly, it's kind of suspicious. This event actually happened in end of February. And it was live telecast worldwide, where His Holiness blessed a lot of students outside the Suklakha. And suddenly it's coming out right now. To think of it carefully, the Chinese CCP, in around March, I believe, they had some Chinese influencer something who had opened an account in March. And they cleverly edited those pictures, that short video of just that tongue thing, and then send it to different media group. So you have to think of it in that sense. It's very, very suspicious what the Chinese, because before China CCP, His Holiness's photograph is banned in Tibet. If you have his photograph in a house, the police will come and arrest you. You cannot have his photograph. And His Holiness, the Dalai Lama's name in the internet is banned. It's not allowed anywhere in China before, not. And they have tried their best level, and His Holiness is pure. And to us, He's God. He's the God of compassion. The Chinese could not find any flaws or attack him. They just call him the devil. They have no weapon against him because he's pure. There's nothing they can do. So now recently, when His Holiness blessed or for a reincarnated Lama in Mongolia, suddenly this situation happened. And you see all over. Now, if you click Dalai Lama in China, it's all over, this situation. So everything is coming back to the China CCP, what they are trying to do, which they could not move this 87-year-old man. This one now, they're trying their best. So it's very, very sad that people are falling prey to this situation. And definitely everyone who felt prey should apologize to His Holiness. And for me, as a Tibetan, I would say to all the people in Tibet who are deeply saddened and feel so bad of this situation, what happened to someone, a person like His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who spent all his 87 years in this planet giving out to the people. You know, he's not thinking for himself, giving out to all the people, for the planet, for people. He calls everyone, you all are my brothers, sisters, to giving out to people. He spent all these years not for himself, for others. Genuinely, 100% giving out to others. Now bring this to him is so shameful. And all the Tibetans in Tibet, be strong. As in Hindi there's a saying, "Aakhir mein sachai jeet jayegi." We have to be strong. The truth will come out at this moment. And I would again say, I apologize to His Holiness, and long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and may him be back where he belongs, in Potala Palace in Tibet. Long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Pögyalo.